when my heart was barely open. Like a spark inside the darkness, you made every fear feel broken. Every wall I built around me started falling piece by piece, and the way you softly touched me felt like finally finding peace. I never knew a love this deep could wake a soul from losing sleep. I love you dangerously, like your kiss could stop my world, like your arms are heaven, girl. Every time you look in my